It's out again. This stinking deer is out again. And today it's these... Oh, I see what happened. Now, I'm not surprised, honestly. But that's... the wire broke again. And today is December 23rd, so we're kind of at a critical time here. Got a bulb out over there. Whoops, where is it? There it is. Oh, alright, well, let's get to work. Whoa, I almost fell. I didn't have any more of those connector things on hand, so I used what I did have on hand, one of my favorite tools, low temperature hot glue. So let's see how long this holds up. Hopefully this will at least get me through Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Let's see if it's working. What's wrong with my I think I need a new battery in this remote. Here we go. So it's working once again, and just like the last time, it's going to break again. It's just a matter of time because the wire is flexing too much. I think what I have to do is maybe add an additional length of wire on there so it's not so taut. I don't know. We'll go with this for now, and when it breaks again I'll have to figure out something else when I have more time.